she says that her husband Joseph had prostate gland problem.
Her husband had a prostate gland
problem.
Oh,
As well as kidney stones
oh my God.
in March 2016.
Okay.
और ये कहते हैं कि जो इनके जो पति है उनको गार्ड था और किडनी स्टोन का तकलीफ था.
For previous 3 months, he was not good and the doctor said that he would require an operation.
और 3 महीनों से उनकी तबीयत खराब थी और डॉक्टर ने कहा कि उनको ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा.
But he had to go back to work.
और फिर से उन्हें
Where
काम
is he
पे जाना
working?
था.
Bahrain. Okay.
Shipping yard.
All right, shipping yard. Okay.
So-
Your husband is working in Bahrain.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So he didn't do any operation, but he went back
और इनके पति ने कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं किया और फिर से वो काम पे गए
and he started applying the anointed oil.
और जो अभिषेकित तेल है वो लगाने लगे.
Now after 3 months he came and he did all his sonography reports
और 3 महीनों के
I want to
बाद
put it
वो
on
सारे
screen right now.
सोनोग्राफी रिपोर्ट किए
and all the reports are completely normal.
No, the prostate is increased in size and measures it, volume measures, no intrafluid. What is the doctor saying?
Actually, brother, he had a prostate gland which was growing. It had
Which was
become
growing.
enlarged.
Yeah.
And he had to go back because there was no time for the operation.
Right.
He had come here for prayer service.
Right.
He attended.
Right.
And then he went back.
I know that,
After
yeah.
going back, we were like had given a petition here.
Yes.
And plus he was putting the holy oil, drinking it also with holy water.
Okay.
And then after 3 months, they did the sonography again. And he passed the sonography by WhatsApp to the doctor in Mumbai.
Okay.
He's in Gulf only.
He's in the Gulf.
Yeah, and the doctor said no need of any operation. He's already cured. You can just take the medicine.
तो शरीर का गांठ बढ़ता जा रहा था. डॉक्टर ने सलाह दी कि ऑपरेशन नहीं कराया जा सकता.
What a God we serve.
और देखो कितना अद्भुत परमेश्वर इसकी हम सेवा करते हैं.
Thank God He hears. Thank God He speaks. Thank God He blesses the people. May everything in your life that is not of God be uprooted now in Jesus' name. Pray this prayer 3 times. Lift your hand and pray right now.
हर एक वो चीज जो परमेश्वर की ओर से नहीं आपकी जिंदगी में उखाड़ दी जाए. प्रार्थना करो 3 बार ऐसी.